Sanibona bafethu uvane lo so igame elandelayo Bafana Bafana they will be playing against iRwanda okuyigame ebaluleke kakhulu for iSouth Africa okuyigame ebaluleke kakhulu for iBafana Bafana imbombela kumele igcwale imbombela imele igcwale ngolwesibili 14 October igame izoqala ngo6 o'clock so nayila na prediction mina engayishaya mase ngithola ithuba yabo ngangitshela wena eyakho kuma comments but ke nayi eyami engingayishaya showcase engaswinela le game le because we need ama goals and sayidinga iwin iwin nje I-guarantee we need iwin but ke sidinga ama goals on top of that and we must pray ukuthi Nigeria iyakwazi ukushaya iBenin kulomdlalo abazodlala nabo. So epalini first and foremost ngaqalisa Ronwen Williams ikule competition so far I don't think umjida akhona amagoli amaningi asawa consider I think uyana goalkeeper sa consider ama goals amancane kule group esikuyona currently yabo ugoalkeeper umjida ngimthembile emuva uzowenza umsebenzi so ngaqalisa yena epalini bafethu mhlambe ke wena wangitshela mhlambe ngaqalisa uSipho but for me umjida I don't think uprocessor kakhulu yabo uprocessor kakhulu ama defenders akhe ayadlala we have one of the best defenders akhona ku Betway Premiership last game ube processor uMbokazi who is one of the best defenders so far kule season benosibisi obe defender of the season last season kuloku ke bafethu uMbokazi akekho so kulandwe bani uThabo Moleyisana obe compete noSibisi ku defender of the season last season so kuma defenders ngaqalisa bona bowu2 ama competitors abajida bebangisana ukuthi ubani ozowina I defender of the season last season bowu2 ngizobaqalisa lapho uSibisi adlale mase kuthi uThabo Moleyisana lo olandiwe ozo replace uMbokazi lo uthola red card badlale bowu2 but ke wena wangitshela ama comments ungaqalisa liba lapha ku center back pairing ungamqalisa uSibisi for me kunama comments engawo ukuthi uSibisi adlalanga kahle yini uSibisi ayenza because we defend I consider ngibafana bafana angazi understand why abantu abaningi banaleyo mentality but ke bajida ngabaqayisa bowu2 Hugo Bros uyamthemba kakhulu uSibisi Thabo Moleyisana Hugo Bros uyamthemba kakhulu Thabo Moleyisana umjida so ngabaqalisa bowu2 mina mase kuthi kuma wingbacks same story angifuni siloku ishintsha kakhulu bafethu angifuni siloku ishintsha kakhulu iVuruvai iVIP yani sijiva nabantu bafethu uyakwazi ukudlala umjida isi right wing back umjida last game simbonile udlale kahle kakhulu last game simbonile udlale kahle kakhulu so ngamqalisa futhi ngakule game le Thabang Motoludi I don't think usawusithola ischeme anytime soon mekusakhona yena lo mjida so ngingamqalisa isi right wing back athi ukudlala nje kancane lapha sidinga more goals simdinga ephushile umjida edema numbers phambili njengoba simbonile enza nje last game mase kuthi ka left wing back same thing left wing back umjida for me last game yabo ube shaking nyana uModiba arwana la ube shaking nyana uModiba but ke I trust him kule game le ukuthi akhuphula amasokisi we need ama goals we need i-team ukuthi idlale kahle ngiyamazi uModiba uyakwazi ukushaya ama cross amnandi uModiba wafethu uleo left back ekwazi ukushaya ama cross ku Betway Premiership ngiyamazi uModiba nama crosses zakhe so sewadinga ama crosses azongena kule box sewadinga amabhola azodlala kule box kushawe igoal so iyona back 4 yami le ungangitshela wena kuma comments uMoleyisane uSibisi uMdawu mase kububani lo mjida uModiba so far nje iback 4 yami inje iqinile angiyiboni nje noma yipi team engadlula la iRwanda currently bashake iRwanda ishake so thina kumele sifike siyibhidlize leyo nto leyo I don't think bazokwazi ukuthi bakhophuke osinikeza inkinga bebekhophuka I don't think bazodlula kule back 4 ekhona mase ukuthi esiswini Tebogo Mokoena bafethu last game uTebogo Mokoena for me umjida isisu sakhe besingekho balanced isisu sakhe Hugo Bros indlela athi edlalisa ngakhona esiswini last game besingekho balanced but ke kule game le kumele sibe balanced siyayidinga ibalance kwisisu esizodlala ngaso against iRwanda so uTebogo Mokoena kumele simdrop adlale as number 6 mes dropper uTebogo Mokoena ezodlala as number 6 asikwazi ukuthi sifake bani sifake uSithole still uSithole simbonile last game ukuthi umjida ube shake simbonile last game asikwazi ukuthi sifake uObas azodlala as number 8 akwazi ukwenza njalo yabo kumele si-introduce unumber 8 okhona kuBafana Bafana currently odlala kahle kuBafana Bafana lo number 8 esom-introduce ubani na uTalent Mbatha bafethu angingi ukuthi mhlambe I'm a Pirates fan no angingalokho ngiya ngokudlala we have ama players ku Betway Premiership but akekho unumber 8 ofika ku Talent Mbatha ayikho ibox to box midfielder efika ku Talent Mbatha ngokudlala yabo mhlambe bakhona akabanye yabo ngangitshela ama comments but mina ngokwami ku national team currently kubadlala ababiziwe akekho ofikayo ku level kaMbatha currently akekho ofikayo so mina I would play uMbatha mase kuthi number 10 ngidlalise bani uSipho Mbule odlale kahle kakhulu last game as number 10 odlale kahle kakhulu last game as number 10. It's a pity lama chances awatholile awazange ukuconvert ishare yodwa, but umjido belideserve igoli ku-game esiphuma kuyona, ubelideserve igoli kule game esiphuma kuyona. Mina ngokwami iyona midfield engaqalisa le, bathathu labadlali bayakwazi ukukhahlela. Simbonile uSipho Mbule uzame kakhulu ukukhahlela last game. Let's hope Dwadlane round uzokwazi ukukhahlela talent, but angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu ngombatha Tebogo Mokoena, angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu ngoTebogo Mokoena. Bathathu labadlali bayakwazi ukukhahlela, sidinga iqinise eziphuma kulabajida laba, hayi lento yokushaya ama short passes amaningi ingekho i-end product phambili. Asidingi ukubona ama short passes amaningi ngiqede ngakhahleli, sidinga ukubona kufuqwa ugoalkeeper weZimbabwe abamkhahlelanga kakhulu bekulo kushaya ama short passes ibhola mase lihamba le ushaya eceleni, short passes mase lo mfana lo Foster angafuna ukuphasa phambili, yabo. So njengoba ngifala abadlali bobathathu, uMbathu uyakwazi ukuthi abe box to box, akwazi uya phambili, add ama numbers phambili, aphinde abuye futhi azoba defensive, add leyo defensive structure kwebafana bafana. Mase kuthi ama wingers, kuma wingers bafethu nakhona futhi last game abajida babe ne game imnandi. Mhlambe ke you can make your case with Osuna Police ukuthi mhlambe umqalise ebenchini, because I saw other people saying Osuna Police Orlando Pirates usually starts as a bench warmer mase yangena ezokushintshela igame. I'm not saying umjidi you deserve ukuthi abe bench warmer, indlela edlala ngakhona Osuna Police uya deserve ukuba start for ibafana bafana. And last game usikhombisile lawo ma glimpses lawo, yabo first half nje nokwenza usikhombisile ama glimpses kuyikona ukuthi second half iZimbabwe vele aba too defensive. Second half ibingekho open iZimbabwe second half le game esiphuma kuyona. So kule game esoyidlala nje Osuna Police, I need to see more of Osuna Police to terrorize i defense ye Rwanda, yabo. Mase ukuthi ka right wing I don't need to explain. I don't need to explain about uNkota abafisa unyamazi. You know the boy, you know ukuthi umjidi uyadlala, so ngiyamqalisa as right winger lapha uNkota. Mina ngifuna ukumbona at ama numbers, sifuna ukubona ama goals, but ke wangitshela ama comments, would you start uThapelo Morena, would you start lo mjidi lo uTsepang Moremi lo Orlando Pirates asas, but ke starting ngoMorena i defender lelo still fana ukuthi dlapha la nge5 at the back. Mesoqalisa uMorena lapha uzo drop uMorena, umdawa azongena la kube 3 yabo. Lento yenza last game angifuqa manga, angiunderstandanga. Masukuthi up front I don't need to go here and there looking for Foster. Nasi striker bafethu simlande nje sazi asidinge magoli lapha, sidinga ucreate ama chances. Bese create ama chances umjida nangumdlalo ozicreate ama chances. Last game bengekho ama chances esibe nawo amaningi, abengekho ama chances ongasho ukuthi bafana la mhlawumbe bekumele ikore, yabo. Bebancane bengekho maningi ngaleyo ndlela la khona besibonakala khona ukuthi sibe dangerous igame isizophela lapho khona istriker sethu singafuni ukuphasa. Sibulewa nje istriker sethu last game. Nasi striker esikwazi ukuphasa, nasi striker esikwazi bafethu ukuphasa. So mina nayi lana prediction yami engayishaya bafethu, ngangitshela nama comments yakhe ithina, but nayi lana yami iqinile nje Jobinji 3 points la siyabuya nawo kumnyama kubo.